Hi fams, welcome back to Niyi Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your search history on the TikTok app. Now the first thing is to launch your app and log in with your login details. And once you're logged in on the home page, you'd want to come to the profile page, and you can do that by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right side of the screen. And on this profile page, you'd want to click on the menu icon on the top right side of the screen, and then on the next pop-up, click on settings and privacy, and then click on activity center, and you can see search history just right there. So once you click on that, you can see your most recent searches on TikTok. So guys, that's how to basically check for your most recent searches on the TikTok app. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.